Hello everyone. This video is to show you some of my best-selling rings, but the point of the video is all about you. Yes, what you make. In my weekly videos, I would like to showcase one of you as well, or a couple of you. If the more you send me, the better it is. I want to see pictures of what you make. You know, the whole point of these videos is to share. I love to share knowledge, and I'm sure everyone out there wants to know what everyone else is making. So let's share some designs, let's share some ideas. Just a picture or two, and will be wonderful to see what is being made. As you can see, this little ring that you're looking at now is very similar to last week's video tutorial on how to make that beautiful ring. It's so simple and yet it's very popular. Here's a cute little silver plated ring with one pearl in it. I love simple designs. This is my little cluster ring, and I've made lots and lots of those as well. They're very popular, and you can put any little beads or stones on it. This is the tutorial that I did on the ring with the tangled ring band. Oh, I just love these rings and I wear them a lot. And it's such a beautiful balanced design. There are just so many designs we can make. There's another one with a tangled band. I love that viney look that you get with copper. Looks like an old grapevine or something climbing up a building. Well, that's what it means to me. Now this is a set of rings that I made for the tutorial on Celtic ring making. And my goodness, it's such a popular ring. I love this design. It is so simple, and depending on how you make it, you will achieve a different pattern on top, depending on how you pull in both sides. It's a wonderful, simple design, and I can make hundreds of these. I just love them. A stone that I love to use is the garnet. I love that deep red color. Here is a ring that is really popular, and it is a garnet color, but it is a glass bead, but I love it anyway. Now, back to what you make. I'm going to put an email address in the description part of this video, and please just send me your pictures. I don't mind how many. And let's talk about what we're all making. I think this conversation can go very far. It will be such fun. Let's do it. Okay, thank you for watching, and take care of yourselves. You're very special. Bye-bye.